look where you're going. Not to me. Hey, you got to turn.
Great job, Zoe. Where's Kellen?
Right there.
Wow. So I just got all teary-eyed because Kellen learned how to ride his bike without training wheels today. Took him all of 2 minutes, but hours and days and weeks of crying before he tried. And then Zoe had to do it. Look at Zoe.
It's weird. Because she's just 4.
I know, she's just 4, Kellen, and my goal is by the time you were 7, so we barely made it. Today is August 1st. Nice work.
It's almost August 30th. Yay. I hope it is.
Okay, watch where you're
I
going.
hope the days go by fast.
Wow, Zoe, that is awesome.
What about Kellen? You never said wow, Kellen.
I said wow, Kellen a lot before I got the video camera out. And then I watched Zoe, and it's not so much wow, Kellen. I'm just kidding. That's great, buddy. Zoe doing it in her Crocs, of course.
Here comes Kellen. Here comes Kellen. Right down Christmas sleigh. She'll be watching you.
So you're a daredevil. You go way too fast.
Okay, watch where you're going. Not at me.
She turned. Okay, she can go over again.
You can do it.
Okay, Zoe, what do you have to say for yourself? Whoops. What? Good job, Zoe. Nice work. Kellen, any last comments?
Mom, still do it.
Still do it?
Yes. How's it going?
Oh.
Are you doing it on your own now too, Zoe? Oh my gosh. I hear a car.